This is how it was packaged. I kid you not. DELOMO Pet Hair Remover. Picks up dog hair and cat hair with ease. No need for sticky tape or batteries. Durable, reusable, and ergonomic. On the back we have a little scan with the transparency app. QR code. Some information about the company. Maintenance instructions. Clean the roller with a soft wet towel. Do not wash the roller. Do not use the roller directly on your pets. Keep away from an open flame, because presumably it would melt. How to use the pet hair remover roller. Roll it back and forth to collect the hair. Press the button to open the waste compartment. The button right here. Remove all the pet hair from the compartment for disposal. Wipe clean with a wet cloth. So let's open it up and give it a try. They went a little overboard with the adhesive. A lot overboard with the adhesive. Alright, good luck opening this thing.
One eternity later.
Okay. Alright, so it looks like we have this little fuzzy bristle right here. These little rubber guys, rubber silicone, picking up the hair. And then another little fuzzy right here. Because of these little combs, obviously it's not going to spin all the way around, so I guess you just go back and forth with it. These little kind of catcher things, both of them have this fuzzy on the inside of those as well, presumably to collect some more hair. So your button, this is where all the hair goes, supposedly. We will test it out and see. There's no kind of container to be removed, it's all just in there, so I guess if you let it go long enough that it's going to glob up in there, you're going to have to dig around in there to get the hair out. It feels pretty chintzy, honestly. It's not very robust plastic. It's the very kind of brittle feeling plastic. The button mechanism is pretty smooth. Seems to click nicely. I don't think it would just come open on you. I don't know that would be a problem anyway. All you're doing is brushing hairs, right? I kind of hate this. It seems like just a great spot to catch a bunch of gunk and nastiness that you then can't clean out because these little holes are too small. I don't know why they didn't just do a solid handle. There is a little hanging hook, hanging hole hook, whatever you want to call that. There is a sticker on here that is really annoying to take off. Underneath it says Nippon seal. I don't know what that means. Do you know what that means? Let me know if you know what that means. On the plus side, the sticker comes off really nicely. You won't need any Goo Gone on that one. Well, here it is. Let's try it out. Here's a bit of a close-up look for you guys. Again, this little hair catching compartment. Pretty robust little button here. I do like that a lot. And a better view of the actual bristles as well. Using it is a little bit of a challenge to go back the other direction. We also have really thick, really crappy carpet, if you can't tell. And so that might have played into it. I imagine it would be a lot easier on a couch or something. It did pick up an impressive amount of hair. I honestly didn't expect to see that much on it. As I mentioned before, when you open it up, you just have to kind of dig around in there to get all the hairs out. Unfortunately, that same hair got pretty stuck down on all the little crevices. You are supposed to wipe it out, as we said before, but I'm not sure if you could ever get all of it out. I bought the roller on Amazon. At the time, there was over 25,000 good reviews, but now we're up to over 30, so it's still been pretty popular. It does say made for cleaning carpet. I think you'd have to be a crazy person to try to use this thing on your entire carpet. It definitely seems better suited to furniture or maybe a small rug. I do like this one with the roll it back and forth to kill all hair easily. We definitely want to be killing that hair. It says soft and harm-free cloth, but those little bristles it's pointing at are actually rubber, so I'm not sure about that. Incredible enlarged storage room. I don't know that I would qualify that as a room, but it did seem like it would hold a lot of hair, so I'll give it that. It also says in the small print there, self-cleaning chamber. I would not call that self-cleaning when you gotta be digging your fingers all in there to get the hair out. It does come in some fun colors, white, pink, purple, and of course you see I have the blue one, which definitely has the best product photo. So what do you think? Do you have one? Do you love it? Are you one of the 30,000 people that left it a review? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.